Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rhoda and I post videos every week about home, DIY, thrift, plants and everything nice. Yeah, so I've been away for a while. I decided to take a personal break, but I'm back now and I'm here with a video of a project I've been doing this past week. Yeah, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. A tufted headboard. This was my first doing this project and I loved how it turned out. Yeah, so watch the video till the end and leave a comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts are about this project and I'd love to know. Yeah, so if you're new here, please consider hitting the subscribe button so that you can join my growing family. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos, and I promise to be consistent or more consistent. Yeah, so stay a while.
For the hot life, bring the right vibes and the 10 lines, keep a free mind, yeah. Rose color on my cheeks, yeah, I feel so on fleek. Forget who we are, let's dance until dawn.
What you see here is a visual representation of my struggle, guys. For the life of me, I could not take this thing apart, so I had to call for help. Yeah, that's my partner right there, coming to save me.
Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the 10 lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside.
So the thought behind this headboard, I've been fascinated with the tufted kind of headboards or furniture, so I wanted to try it for our new space. So the top part is from our old headboard and I'm just adding some pieces of board to it so that it can give me the height that I want when it leans up against the wall.
For the hot life, bring the right vibes and the 10 lines. Keep a free mind, yeah.
Fools like them, they suss me out and then they go.
So here I'm just cutting tracing out the headboard shape so that I can cut the mattress or the foam. Then I'm going to stick it to the headboard or the board using contact glue. Yeah, just apply generously and let it sit for about like 2 minutes so that it can air, so that when you put the foam on top of it, it can stick. I know you can see me with the tape measure here and I look like I'm taking measurements, but I pretty much eyeballed the whole tufting part because I just went with how I'd like it to look where the fabric is all tufted. Yeah. hardest part for me in this whole project was the part where I had to cut the board using the saw. That was a tough one. Yeah, but all the other steps were so easy. I couldn't even believe it. By the way, I thrifted this material from Think Twice. It was going for 100 bob. It was a curtain. Yeah, so I loved the texture, the color, and I love that I went with it for this headboard. So if you're here up to this point, please consider hitting the subscribe button so that you can join my growing family, and also leave a comment down in the comment section below so that I can read your thoughts on how you think the project turned out. Yeah. So for this button part, I think this was the highlight of it all. Yeah, I got to do some DIY buttons. I just used old coins and covered them with a piece of the foam and covered it with the fabric so that it can match. Yeah, and when you're doing this, please make sure I'll call them lines on the fabric, the way they are going up down, so make sure they match with how you stick the button. I didn't have an easier way to do this because my glue gun is faulty and I can't use it, so I am using the lighter to melt the glue stick and use that. Yeah, just be careful while working with the hot glue because it really burns. It really burns.
Wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid, then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and
Yeah, so I hope you did too. See you on the next one.